Brothers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use moves in Pokemon X and Y. Let's get into it. So first, you have to go into your team. So I'm going to have to use my Genesect. You have to go down to use a move. I'm going to use Fly. And then you could just fly to wherever you want. Like I'll just fly to Snowball City. And yeah, that's how you use Fly in Pokemon X and Y. And actually, I'm actually going to do some Wonder Trades today. So if you want to see that part of the video, you can. Okay, so let me connect to the internet quick. And actually, when I'm waiting for the internet to connect to my Nintendo 3DS, let's talk about my room. So my nickname is Stuffy King, because if you didn't see, I actually have a lot of stuffed animals. A lot. So, if I guessed about how many I had, I'd say about like 405, between 400 and 500. I have a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. And I'm connected to the internet. Let's get to the Wonder Trades. And I'm not actually going to trade good Pokemon. I'm just going to use bait and trade bad Pokemon, like a Zigzagoon, for example. So I'm trading with someone named Jackson from Canada. And I got a Wormhole. I don't think that was supposed to happen. If you don't know who SK33N is, it's another YouTuber. It has a lot of good Pokemon. And yeah. And yeah. There were some 2 Wonder Trades. After this, it's probably gonna be the end of the video. So yeah. Let's get to this next Wonder Trade. This Wurmple is level 2. Female, its name is, I don't actually know because it's in Spanish. And none. A face. 2 faces.
That's French.
It is? Okay. And I got my Zigzagoon back. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. See you later. I'm from the Home Brothers, as I said. Peace out.